Right, question 7. It says here David works with a section manager in a department store. He has a salary of £17,000 per annum and he usually receives a bonus every year. So David has to make a choice about which bonus to take from those offered by the store this year. He can either have a smaller share when £2,500 is shared in the ratio 2 to 3 with his section manager, or a sum of money equal to 6% of his salary. Which of these two bonus offers should David accept? You must show your working and give a reason for your choice. And this question is a Q11 question, or the OCA questions, where they're going to assess your communication, right? So it's important you set things out clearly. Okay, it's not just good to say no, take the first offer. You've got to explain all your choices. We're not looking for a story, right? We don't want things written down in the story format. What I would do here is just look first option. Okay, I would do that. First option obviously relates to the first bullet point, and just first option, underline it. Let's go for it. So smaller share of 2,500. Let's have a look here. The ratio 2 to 3. Okay, so let's see how many parts we can have then in total. So of course with ratio we add them together, right? So 2 plus 3, then we're going to get 5 parts. Okay, and then we'll work out what 1 part is worth if that amount of money is going to be split up into 2 parts and 3 parts into 5 parts in total. So we'll do 2,500 divide by 5. Okay, now we can work that out in our heads. That would be £500. Okay, so 1 part will equal £500. Okay, so in that ratio 2 to 3, that means then 2 parts would be 2 lots of £500. 3 parts would be 3 lots of £500, so that would be £1,000 and £1,500. So because David receives the smaller share with his section manager, you could say, look, David receives £1,000, option 1. Okay, and that's perfectly fine the way I've set that out. I'm getting all my QWC marks here, okay, all of them, because I set out all the steps quite clearly. Mathematics is spot on. I'm working down the page, right? And I've made sure I put my pound symbols in and everything. And I've made a little statement at the end. Look, David receives £1,000. Okay, so let's go for second option. Okay, so look at the second option. 6% of his salary. Okay, well, let's work out 6%. Now to get 6%, now remember now, it's not talking about this, it's talking about his salary. Okay, so let's go for 10%. Let's work out what 10% of 17,000 will be. Okay, I always go for 10% usually, or 1%. 10% then, of course, well, you just knock off a 0. So it'll be 1,700. So if 10% is that, then of course 5% we could go for next. 5% is half of 10%, so half of that would be £850. Okay, so that's your 5%, and then of course I want 6%, so I need to get 1% now. Well, 1% is easy because of course with such a big number you just take off 2 zeros. You divide by 100, it'll be 170. So you can see now 5% and 1% gives me 6%. Okay, so it's a case of just adding these two values up here. Okay, these two values here need to be added. Okay, so add them together and I get 0, 5 plus 7 is 12, so 2 carry 1, and then the 8 and the 1 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, so 1,020. So David in option 2 receives £1,020. So in terms of what the better option, obviously he's going to go so that he has the biggest bonus. Obviously this is the better option, yeah? This is the better option because he'd actually gained an extra £20. So at the end you need to make a statement. You should say, look, David should choose the 6% option, the 6% of salary option, because, and give a reason as well. Say, look, he'd actually be £20 better off. So say that, right? Because he will be £20 better off, okay, compared to obviously the first option.